Now I'm back home to apartment. Shane's waiting for lunch. Yep, I'm safety, don't worry. And daddy also safety, stay home. He's only watching TV. That's our daily life routine here at Puerto Galera. But the environment's good, you see. Wow, 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 wind. Yeah, I'm back home. Don't worry, guys. Safety, brother Alex, good. My sister Diane also. Yeah, give some food, something to eat and juice. So I'm going back to apartment. That's it. That's the scenery here. Yeah, that's it. Sweaty, it's too hot. So she asked me to wear this hat. I borrow. Turn right. That's it. It's nice. Casa con vista. See? Mm. I'm only walking if I go to neighbors, my sister, Alex house. Hard to walking and talking too much. More traffic. Yeah. A little bit hills. So have to going down a bit. And this is our apartment. Here we live here. Okay. We can stay here as long as we want to living here. But we plan to buy a property here also. Cannot buy cash installment. Oh, I have opened the gate also. Oh my God, look. Hindi na makita number. Oh, biya. Now I'm pulling. Dala bukas ng gate, no? I have to put back the key. Oh, yeah. Rambo lang na meron. Opya. That's it. Hindi kami nagluluto. Labaw kahapon. And then say, honey, I'm home.
It's all about Gumball. Start September 1st, 9:15 a.m.
Say, honey, I'm home. See? You okay? Yeah. Funny, Daddy only watching TV. See? But Daddy have safety. See, I safety first before I'm going outside. Got to prevent. Okay. And safety the pee bucket. That's Daddy. But Daddy is still fit. I don't want him to be bedridden. Stand up. Yeah, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to Dayan and Alex. Say hi lang na, Daddy.
Hi.
Okay, see you guys.